Hello, greetings to all. My name is Raj Lakshmi, a girl who hails from Bihar, a chartered accountant by profession and a specialized in internal audit. I hold keen interest in creative painting and a fond of cycling and a street dog lover. I have recently self-published my first book, Imperfectly Perfect, which is available on Amazon.com, Amazon.in, Flipkart, Goldpapa.com, and a Kindle version is also there. I really admire my true passion and a love for writing such a beautiful and a motivating book. If I talk about what is the inspiration or learning behind that, we I think we as a human being, not all of us, but most of us, are not good at expressing ourselves to others. But on the other side of a coin, we can very good at writing things, what our heart has actually felt at that moment of our life. And we people are mostly judge others on the basis of their appearances and categorize them on the beautiful, intelligent, rich, and poor. But one thing is always missing. That's called kindness. It took most of my life to understand this. If we're gonna accept the differences we as an individual possesses, it will be make our life more happier and a more easier. I know literally always capture the folds of a society, the rigid cultures and the rigid rituals our society are accustomed to. And a few of us as an author criticize them about those rigid rituals and cultures that should not be happen in a society. I know I'm a very new entrant in this literary world, but what really hit me hard at that moment of my life is like the rejections the individual actually faces in their life over the things which is out of their control. That's really not acceptable at any level. We usually say we all are educated, but when we gonna hit the society floor, it's not difficult for us to judge that people nowadays are not lacking education. What they are lacking is the wisdom power, and it's their fate that they are getting educated just for just for earning their livelihood, not for living a life which is affordable at a minimal terms of wisdom itself. Coming to my book, Imperfectly Perfect, it's a collection of poems based on a life of a girl who actually narrate whole of its story. The poem is composed in both Hindi and English. Language is very easy and simple to understand, and I have written this book for a wide range of readers. I usually covers most of our phases of a life, like childhood, friendship, love, relationship, affection. One can have in different phases of their life, and the and this with this I and above all, what this book has taught to a reader is just hold your head high for a desire, destiny, and love. At the end, I would like to thank you and conclude that a reader must not be influenced with the inclination or the status the author he or she has possesses. Author writing should be criticized or acclaimed with his writings only. Thank you to all my readers and my prospective readers also. Thank you very much.